everybody. I am coming to you from my home office as we are sheltering in place right now. And we are going to be doing quite a few more videos now. I know we haven't been super active on doing that in the past, and this is one of my things that has gotten pushed down the road many, many times. And now, happily, I have the time and I have the opportunity to be able to do that. Coming to you from my home office. You can see I have my martial arts certificates on the walls there. So we will be doing a whole series of these. They're just educational videos for our wonderful guests and anyone who is interested in our take on things. We are all from Seattle Sugar Spa. We are a team of really passionate estheticians. We specialize in hair removal and skincare. And so we just wanted to kind of pool all of our knowledge. We have quite a variety of experience throughout the team and give you all of our best tips and tricks. So some of these videos will be me by myself. Some of these videos will be with one or two of our team members. And I'm sure at some point we'll do some full discussion videos as well with the whole team. So if you have any subjects that you'd like us to cover, please feel free to comment down below, send us a message via our social media channels, and let us know, and we would be happy to do some specific videos on any questions you may have. We also would love feedback and input on these videos as they come out. If they don't cover everything you want, or if you have a specific question about the information contained in any of our videos. Another point that I do want to make, we're going to be very product neutral with all these videos. We are not representing a specific product line. We have a product line that we use in the spa, obviously, but we don't think that this knowledge is something that just is there to sell a product. So that's not what we're trying to do with these videos. We just want to give you some of our knowledge, some of our information. One of our main core values as a group is education. And so right now, this is the best way to get that education out to our guests and to the public. So I hope you stick with us. I hope you enjoy these. Our first series of videos is going to be about authentic brows and our philosophy and sort of take on eyebrows. And I think you'll have some fun learning some new tips and tricks, and I look forward to hearing from all of you about your feedback and questions for the future. Thank you so much.